From $0 to $100 a day. The AI Freelancer Challenge. What if you could turn your laptop into a money-making machine, using only AI tools and your creativity? That's exactly what people around the world are doing right now. With platforms like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney, freelancers are earning anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds per day without ever stepping into an office. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a designer. You just need to learn how to use AI the smart way. Welcome to the AI Freelancer Challenge, where your words, ideas, and strategies can earn you $100 a day or more. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. The rise of AI freelancing. Freelancing has always been a powerful way to earn money online. But AI has completely transformed the game. Tasks that once took hours can now be done in minutes. Writers use ChatGPT to create articles and marketing copy. Designers use Midjourney to craft stunning visuals, and entrepreneurs use AI to automate entire businesses. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about amplifying it. The truth is, AI isn't your competitor. It's your partner. The people who learn to use it effectively are earning faster, working smarter, and building careers that fit their lifestyles. The goal of the AI Freelancer Challenge is simple: to go from $0 to $100 a day using nothing but AI tools and your skills. You don't need experience, followers, or even clients yet. You just need the right approach, consistency, and the willingness to experiment. Step 1. Pick your niche. Before you start offering freelance services, you need to decide what kind of work you'll do. AI makes this easier than ever. There are hundreds of niches you can enter: writing, marketing, social media, design, automation, consulting, and more. Start by exploring freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Use Google to research top AI freelance services in 2025. You'll notice that some of the highest paying gigs include AI content creation, prompt engineering, AI video scripting, and AI social media management. Once you've found a niche that interests you, focus on learning how AI can make you faster and better in that field. For instance, if you're into writing, learn how to use ChatGPT to generate blog drafts, product descriptions, or add copy. If you prefer visuals, master tools like Midjourney or Canva's AI features to create logos, posters, or social media posts. Choosing one niche helps you become an expert faster, and experts get paid more. Step 2. Learn to use AI like a pro. The secret to success in AI freelancing is mastering the art of prompting. AI is only as smart as the questions you ask it. Spend some time experimenting with ChatGPT. Try giving it detailed instructions and see how the output improves. For example, instead of saying write a blog, say write a 1,000-word SEO-friendly blog about minimalist lifestyle tips in a friendly tone with short paragraphs. The more precise your prompts, the better your results. There are also tons of free tutorials on YouTube and Reddit that teach you how to use AI tools effectively. The more comfortable you become with these tools, the easier it'll be to complete client projects quickly. And that's how you make $100 a day or more. Step 3. Create a portfolio in one day. You don't need paid clients to start building a portfolio. You can use AI to create sample work. If you want to offer writing services, ask ChatGPT to help you create 3 to 5 sample articles. If you're offering design services, use Midjourney or Canva to design sample logos, thumbnails, or posters. Put these samples together in a simple portfolio website using free tools like Notion, Cared, or Wix. When clients visit your profile, they need to see proof of your skills. A strong portfolio builds trust and helps you stand out, even if you're just starting. Don't overthink it. Your first goal is to show potential clients that you can deliver value using AI. Step 4. List your services online. Now that you have your niche and portfolio, it's time to get visible. Create profiles on freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. When writing your gig descriptions, highlight that you use AI to deliver fast, efficient, and high-quality work. For example, you could offer services like I will write SEO-optimized blogs using AI tools. I will create professional social media posts with AI design tools. I will generate business ideas and content strategies using AI. Use ChatGPT to help you write catchy gig descriptions and persuasive client messages. The goal is to get your first client as soon as possible, even if it's a small one. That first job builds momentum, confidence, and reviews. Step 5. Offer real value, not just speed. Many beginners make the mistake of focusing only on how fast they can deliver AI-generated work. But clients don't pay for speed. They pay for value. Use AI as your foundation, then add your personal touch. Edit, refine, and improve what AI creates. The combination of human creativity and AI efficiency is unbeatable. For instance, if ChatGPT writes a blog post, you can add real examples, local insights, or SEO tweaks. If Midjourney creates an image, you can use Canva to adjust colors, text, and layout. That's how you transform average AI output into professional quality work. And that's what gets you repeat clients. Step 6. Scale your earnings. Once you start earning consistently, it's time to scale. Use your profits to upgrade your tools, advertise your gigs, or build your own website. You can also expand your services. For example, a writer can start offering full content strategies or social media packages. A designer can offer branding kits or AI-driven marketing materials. You can even hire other freelancers to help you handle more projects while you focus on client relationships. With AI doing most of the heavy lifting, you can handle more work without burning out. The more systems you build, the more time you free up for strategy and creativity. You can also explore automation tools like Zapier or Notion AI to streamline repetitive tasks. Over time, you'll notice that scaling isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. That's how successful freelancers grow from $100 a day to $500 or even $1,000 a day, all powered by the smart use of AI and consistent effort. Step 7. Build long-term clients and passive income. The smartest freelancers don't just complete one-off gigs. They build long-term relationships. Use AI to stay in touch with clients, send updates, and offer additional services. Over time, you'll have clients who return to you every month. You can also turn your skills into passive income. For example, create digital products or AI prompt packs based on your expertise and sell them online. You can even make tutorials or ebooks teaching others how to start their own AI freelancing journeys. That way, even when you're not working, your income keeps flowing. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Relying entirely on AI output without editing. Always review and refine. Number 2. Trying too many niches at once. Focus on one and master it. Number 3. Ignoring communication skills. Clients value clarity and professionalism. Number 4. Giving up too early. Freelancing success takes consistency and patience. Every successful freelancer starts with uncertainty. The difference is they take action while others hesitate. The real secret to winning the AI Freelancer Challenge. This isn't about earning $100 a day just once. It's about building a system that brings in consistent income. With every project, you'll get faster, smarter, and more confident. Over time, your work quality will improve and your rates will rise. What begins as a challenge could soon become a full-time career. The truth is, AI isn't replacing freelancers, it's empowering them. The ones who learn how to use it effectively will always be in demand. You can work from anywhere, choose your clients, and set your income goals, all with your laptop and a good internet connection. So are you ready to take the AI Freelancer Challenge? Start today, take one small step, and let your results speak for themselves. Your journey from $0 to $100 a day might just be the start of something much bigger. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.